So today I'm working on a Viking microwave. Customer complaint is just the buttons fell off. They're inside right now, and we're gonna open it up and take a look. So this is the old panel. As you can see, all of the plastics here are broken and snapped off. And then this one is a brand new one from Viking. We've got all the buttons right here. Alright, so the new user interface is installed. Let's test it out. We can close this guy. Let's test the fan. Test the lights. Alright, let's choose a function. Let's go popcorn. Alright, looks good.